Welcome to my channel Winchem. Now we are going to see the self practice questions answers. Okay, already in the previous video I gave 3 questions. The answers we are going to see in this video. We will see one by one. What is the first question? Find the order of the reaction. I have given a order of the three questions. In that we need to find the order of the reaction. The first one we will see. Actually, how to find the order of the reaction. Order of the reaction is the power of x and power of y. We need to add it. Then we will get the order of the reaction. Order is equal to x plus y. This x plus y is the order of the reaction. The power of a and the power of b. Okay, we need to add it. So this is the reaction. See here, we need to add it. So 1 by 2 plus 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. That is 2.5. Okay, 2 plus half 2.5. Easily we can say it in a mind also. We can calculate it. And the next one, if you see that k is equal to a square and b power of 3 by 4. So you just add these two. 2 plus 3 by 4. What is that? 11 by 4 or 2.75. And the third sum is here 1 and 0. What is that? 1 plus 0, which is equal to 0. This is the order of the reaction. This is the first sum. And the next one, 2a plus b gives a to b. In this hypothetical reaction, the rate law was found to be rate is equal to k into a concentration and b concentration, and the rate constant value is given. They calculate the rate at 0.02 mole concentration of A and 0.03 mole concentration of B. So the concentration of A and B is given. Okay, so we need to find the rate of the reaction. We need to write the first what is given. K is given, A is given, B is given. So how to write the rate expression? That is also given. Rate is equal to A into B. It's very simple, very easiest problem. You just substitute all the values in the equation. So 4 into A, what is the value of A? 0.02 and B 0.04. Here 4 it is not it's a 4. Okay, I'll just make a change over here. This is 4. B concentration is 3 here. Here I made a mistake. Okay, concentration is 0.3. This is right. Okay, so what will be the answer now? Answer is 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 6 mole inverse liter inverse. Okay, the next sum, it's a simple one. And the third one is the decomposition of dimethyl ether leads to the formation of CH4H2 and CO, and the reaction rate is given by R is equal to rate constant, the partial pressure of methyl ether. Okay, dimethyl ether 3 by 2 power of 3 by 2, in which the pressure is measured in bar and time in minutes. Find the units of rate and the rate constant. They are asking the unit of a rate and the rate constant unit only. Very simple reaction. While seeing the questions, no need to afraid. If the question is big, they are try to give more information about the answer. That's why the question will be big. So while seeing the questions, if it is big, no need to worry about it. The answer will be very simple. You can think that the answer will be very simple. Just to see the pressure, this is the partial pressure. Whenever the rate expression, if a P is there, that we have to mention that we have to say as a partial pressure. Okay, see here the solution. Here the pressure is measured in a bar and the time in minutes. Okay, they mentioned clearly pressure is in a bar and minutes. So our unit should be in that only. The rate of the unit of the rate. What is the unit of the rate now? The bar divided by its minute. Okay, pressure will be on the bar. Always the rate will be how we have to write it. The reactant divided by its this time we will use to write it. That is the rate. So here the pressure will be the reactant. Okay, in the pressure only in the gaseous form they are giving. So the bar divided by its minutes. Otherwise bar minute inverse we can write it. And what is the rate constant unit? See, the rate is equal to, the expression is given as it is. Then what we need to find? So rate constant K is equal to K divided, that is K is equal to, that's the rate constant, rate divided by its this one. Take this one, this will come down. Okay, I'll write it in this way. So what is the rate? Rate as given as a bar minute inverse. So what is this? This is a pressure, partial pressure. So it will be pressure is measured in a bar. So bar power of 3 by 2. So you need to divide both the thing and we will get the answer. What is that? 3 by 2 minus of 1. Okay, here 3 by 2 is there, here 1 is there. So 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So K is equal to bar minus 1 by 2 minute inverse. This is the unit of the rate constant. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell button so that you will get the upcoming videos of chemical kinetics problems, and like this button and share to your friends also.